everyone, my name is Mackenzie and I work here at MCR Medical. Today I'm going to be unboxing one of our most popular CPR training kits, the K101M-DS-UT1. So, what's in the box? Your CPR training starter kit includes one PRESTAN Professional Series Adult Manikin, one PRESTAN Infant Manikin, one PRESTAN AED Trainer in a nylon carry case, one free Mani vest, one free Mani bibs, and one free MCR Medical CPR kneeling mat. Let's start with the PRESTAN Professional Adult Manikin with feedback. This manikin is fully compliant with the current American Heart Association guidelines for rate and depth feedback. Your manikin will come in a nylon carry bag with handles for easy transport. Inside the bag, you will find the manikin, a 10-pack of adult lung bags, and an instruction sheet. For video viewing purposes, I have removed the plastic that your manikin's head and torso will come wrapped in. The rate monitor is located on the back side of the left shoulder area of the manikin, and the lights will shine through the front of the manikin. Next up is the PRESTAN Infant Manikin with feedback. Just like the adult manikin, your infant manikin will come in a nylon carry bag, and inside the bag you will find the manikin as well as a 10-pack of lung bags and an instruction sheet. In the infant manikin, the rate monitor is located in the diaper area of the manikin and can be accessed by using a flathead screwdriver or a butter knife to gently pry open the diaper cover. Please note that each rate monitor requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included. Also included in this kit is the PRESTAN AED Trainer. Please note that this unit is for training purposes only and cannot be used for patient defibrillation. Your Ultra Trainer will come with its own zippered fabric carrying case and requires 3 C batteries, which are not included. Inside the case, you will find the AED Trainer unit, one set of pre-connected dual adult-child pads and cables, and one instruction manual. You will also find 4 extra black connector pins to use when connecting the pads to the cables. Now onto the fun stuff. This CPR training starter kit includes a few MCR medical freebies that are sure to enhance your CPR classes. The Mani vest will keep your adult manikin clean and looking stylish, and also provides a lifelike training scenario as students have to practice removing clothing before applying AED pads. The Mani bibs come equipped with a small front pocket so your students have a clear visual of the feedback device located in the diaper area of the manikin. For your convenience, the Mani bibs were designed to fold down to allow easy access to the chest for lung bag installation without having to remove the entire onesie. Last but certainly not least is the MCR Medical CPR kneeling mat. Patients in need of CPR don't often collapse conveniently on a table, meaning we must be on the floor to practice life-saving skills. Our kneeling pads have a large surface which will help to reduce knee pain, lower back stress, and reluctance on the student's part to participate in a training scenario on the floor. Now you will know what to expect when you receive your CPR training kit. For more quality CPR training supplies and accessories, please feel free to check out the MCR Medical storefront. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.